In 1925, artist Robert Bob Miner drew a cartoon called One Day They'll Wake Up. It imagined China, India, and Africa as sleeping giants that would one day rise against imperial powers. A century later, in 2025, those giants are no longer asleep. China dominates technology and manufacturing. India drives software and energy, and Africa holds key resources for the future. For everyday citizens in the US, this isn't just global politics, it shapes daily life. From the cost of groceries to where jobs are created to how supply chains work, these shifts ripple into our homes. The message is simple. What once was a warning sketch on paper has become the world we live in today.